Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301834, and this is a 2017 Land Rover Range Rover. We call Evoque over. Just kidding, I couldn't help myself. Land Rover, Range Rover, Evoque. And our color is white. Let's take a look inside at some of our interior features. All right, so we've got power windows, mirrors, locks, memory seat, power driver's seat with lumbar support, got our hatch release, lane keep assist, interior lighting control, steering wheel features heat, hands-free, stereo remote controls and cruise control settings. Got a push start ignition. We have our satellite radio ready with a CD player, electronic and dual climate control with heated front seats. Got our parking brake, hill descent control, auto start stop, traction control, dial shifter. Got our mode settings, garage door openers, sunroof controls, and our interior color is black and red. And moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, a full bench seat with a 60/40 drop, just in case you need some more room. And onto our exterior, we've got 20-inch Land Rover rims. We've got rear parking aid, a rear view camera, remote hatch that you just have to push once, not twice, my mistake. All of our cargo space. Okay, I'm pushing it way too much, I think. There we go. All right, there you go, guys. That's stock number 301834. You guys have just checked out this white 2017 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque. Thanks for watching.